Hi, my name is Stan. I'm with DreamWall here at InfoComm 2026, where we're introducing our new Monarch series, motorized 136-inch with pixel pitch of 0.9 that is movable and foldable. So we just activated it and it's now raising. And the wings are motoring out. And now we have a full 136-inch display. This is great for something like, say, attorneys' offices, where they might have 2 or 3 conference rooms and they don't want to pay for 2 or 3 video walls. Get one of these and move it around. And then it motors back down. It obviously takes a little bit to motor back down. And of course it can be powered off as well. So this is the new Monarch series from DreamWall. Please visit our website at www.dreamwall.net.